We at Apparelsoft believe everything has a home, from your car to the shoes you wear to the tools you use. At work, it's no different. All your work and documents have a home as well. For years, this home has been on our computers, and while this is okay for the average user, this can be a problem if you work in the fashion industry. When you work with styles, scheduling, approvals, deadlines, production budgets, and other product development activities, you depend on inputs and outputs from multiple people. Hours are wasted searching through emails, creating and updating spreadsheets, and storing things in all kinds of folders. Eventually, you find yourself desperately chasing sample and production deadlines. This inefficient process is filled with delays and errors, costing your business tens of thousands of dollars a year in added expenses and lost sales. Say bye to confusing spreadsheets and messy email attachments. Apparelsoft is an internet cloud-based sharing and collaborating system that inhabits all your product and style information. It gives you full control over who can see and access it. Meet John. John is a product manager at Urban Fashions. But John doesn't work alone. Emily from design, Anne from sourcing, and Mark from quality control all work together with vendors in different locations to develop and deliver products. This is a familiar problem. It all starts when John emails the tech pack to Emily and Anne. They update sourcing and approval information and email it back to John, who shifts through all the different versions and emails them to the vendors for sampling. Vendors view and email it back with comments and prices. Now, imagine this process over multiple samples and price negotiations. Now you see how one product can create countless multiple versions of the same file, not to mention numerous emails and errors as the deadline approaches. Products are late to the stores, frustration rises, something has to change. With low-cost subscription fees, 24/7 support, no hardware to purchase and totally secure, Urban Fashion decides to subscribe to Apparelsoft Web PLM. Here's what happens. John logs onto Apparelsoft and with the easy-to-use tools provided, builds a simple style card and inputs data, including a picture of the garment and a picture of the fabric. Immediately, Emily, Anne, and the vendors are notified. They can log on and make changes as well through their web browser. This carries over to all the other areas of production. As prices change on purchase orders, cost sheets get updated, giving you real-time cost per style. No Excel, no bill of material. With a snap, Apparelsoft has taken offline tech packs online. For the first time, product information has a home, a single place for creating, organizing, and editing from any place with internet access. Everyone working on the same platform makes tracking tasks and follow-ups a breeze and easier to navigate. Not to mention, our software is Android and iOS user-friendly. Urban Fashions now has the tools it needs to deliver higher quality products at the right time and the right price. The Urban Fashion team is relieved now. They can focus on what's important, the business.